Hello elves, welcome to a slightly dodgily shot video, but one I hope will potentially help you to organise your work today. So we're looking at place value, just a little revision of that. So we're looking at 4-digit numbers, so we've got thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. The questions I've got for you on the blog today will show you what you have to do, but they're going to be a bit like this. So it might be you're asked to write down a number that has 2 hundreds, 8 ones, 6 tens and 4 thousands. So running through that, if I'm going to record this, drawing a table like I've done here that you can see, I'd read the instructions and think 200, so I'm going to write down 2 in my hundreds column here. I'm going to write down 8 in the ones column over here. It says 8 ones. It says 6 tens. And it says 4 thousands. So the answer I come up with there is 4,268. So you've got a few of those to do. What you'll need to pay attention to here on my little diagram is you've got a measurement here showing the length of this side of the rectangle, a measurement down here showing this length of this side of the rectangle. There's a perimeter question on the blog, and then there's also a question about how wide each one of these columns is. Now you can see how many columns there are, and you can see how long this side is. Can you work out how you figure what width each one of these columns is? I've divided it equally, so there's an operation you can use there. You've got the numbers you need to use. So the 4 columns is a bit of a clue, and then that down there, the 12 centimetre length, also a bit of a clue. Now, once you've come on to the last part of our little bit of work for today, you will see that you're being asked to add some numbers together, but you haven't been given one of the important numbers. So the question might look a bit like this. If you've got 9,214, so 9,214, and it's saying that's equal to 8,000 plus 1,200 plus something. How do we work out what that something is? Well, remember, that number there is what it's got to add up to. If we add this number and this number together, that's going to give us an answer. So we know that 8,000 plus 1,000 is 9,000. Add on the 200, that's 9,200. Look over here, 9,200. Which part is left? It's the 14, so the missing number over here has to be 14. Now that's the easy one to do. You can do that in your heads. The next couple of questions there, you've still got to go with adding the 2 numbers you've got on this side of our equation, and then subtract them from the total, which will then leave you with the answer, the number that goes where the question mark is. Have a go at those. Pop your answers on the blog to me. I'll check those over when you've finished those. Get any problems, give me a call. Give me a message on the blog. We'll try and run through that for you. Pretty straightforward, will require a bit of thought. Do show your workings. Do let me know how you get on with them. And like I say, any problems, just put a message on the blog and I can get back to you and help you out with that. Otherwise, I will catch you all on the flip side. Take care.